Hello people, so this is yet another new video that I'm shooting, and I have to say this, that as of yesterday it was like, it is so sweet, the few people who watch my videos. uh, the kind of feedback I was getting was like, you sound very different in real life and in on the video. So it's not like I speak with an accent and all, yeah, while making these videos. I mean, in fact, there is one whole set of people who tell me, yeah, lady, what is with you? You just go on and on, like speaking on some random topic. I mean, I should be like, apparently, my dad tells me just write down a script and then, people will take you more seriously. But it's like I've set up this channel not to be taken seriously. It's just, it's like a video vlog, so no people. So in case, for those of y'all who've actually met me, which is basically 99% of the people on my channel, no, not 99, 98%, or whatever, like I've no, but actually of the 250 people, I actually know, I don't know, 50 people maybe, no, not even 50, yeah, because the people who are known to me, I didn't ask them to really subscribe to my channel because I don't want mutual embarrassment on a daily basis. I mean, they'll be seeing my videos and thinking like, oh, what exactly is this girl doing? But anyway, so today I'm in Tirupati, like, from tomorrow I'll be moving to this place called Chandragiri, and it's a hostel sort of a thing. I mean, hostel as in, it's a BPL hostel, below poverty line hostel, because those are the students we are going to be teaching. So yesterday we went and saw the hostel facilities, or the lack of facilities that were available there, but it's I'm looking forward to it. So this is a very long video. I normally never speak for so long, but I just wanted to clarify that it's not like I speak with an accent. Yeah, no, I mean, I wish I had like a BBC type accent, or then I'll get taken seriously at least. So anyway, so in case I want to share something else, I'll share it in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.